So my name is Brendan Herbert from Castleisland in County Kerry. We were looking for a log cabin. I suppose really we wanted a space outside that we could enjoy with family and friends. I did quite a lot of research on the internet. We came across Beaver Log Cabins, who came highly recommended. They also have a local agent here, which was very, very good, and the service is excellent. When we went about getting a cabin, we got quite an extensive catalogue with a huge range of choices from Trevor. He very much guided us through the process of picking a cabin for a particular purpose and the size of the cabin and how we would fit out the cabin. From there, quite simply, we agreed a price, and after that he gave us a lead-in time, which was very specific, and that lead-in time was on the button. You know, the delivery was on the week he said it would happen, and the installation happened straight away after that. You know, 2 or 3 crews here on site, very good guys from Beaver Log Cabins, and they erected a cabin and no issues at all. Absolutely fantastic. They were really, really good guys, very easy to get on with, absolute gentlemen to deal with actually. And then the painters came straight away after that and did the painting on the externals for us. Absolutely happy with it. We have it in about 18 months now. We've had some great times here already. When we saw it in, we were absolutely delighted. And you know, actually, when it's painted and finished, it really stands out. And anyone that comes in here and joins us here, they're all blown away by the finish of it. We might have a pint or a game of cards and we all have great fun. Trevor was fantastic, right? Anytime you rang Trevor about something, you know, with regards to invoicing or payments or following up, Trevor accommodated us with anything we needed actually, and we got some extras and a few bits and pieces. It was done and it was seamless. Absolutely, I would recommend Beaver Log Cabins. I recommended them to a friend of ours from Tralee, and they subsequently put in one, and they're over the moon with it as well. You know, it's a fantastic product and I can't recommend it highly enough.